everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Keysight Technologies. This is ticker KEYS. Now, there's a lot of chatter about quantum stocks today. We saw a big move in stocks like IBM, RGTI, Rigetti had a monster move coming on volume and is even up after hours. And so a lot of these quantum stocks are working, but getting a bit extended here. But if you look at Keysight is kind of like a picks and shovels play for the quantum computing space. And it has already had a nice strong run here since November of last year. It's held nicely up the 8-day and 21-day exponential period moving average. We had a bit of a dip here in the recent market correction, but Keysight still held up above the 50-day moving average. Now, I certainly like the fact that this is close to a key moving average, so it can be tradable with clearly defined risk at those moving averages. And so I would certainly watch for a potential rebound here on Keysight above that downward sloping trend line, taking out the 350.80 level and doing it on good volume. Now, if that triggers to the upside, whether it's tomorrow, the next day, or maybe sometime next week, I think you can absolutely use the 50-day moving average as a level to define your risk on, and then just let the trade work for you as the quantum computing sector continues to go. And that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.